welcome. You're watching Times Now Live. My name is Amita Vadwa, but the pictures that we are going to show you, viewers, is coming in from the financial capital, the maximum city that today woke up to waterlogged roads, deluged railway tracks and long traffic jams and disruptions, even when it comes to the locals and the flight operations as well. The downpour that is expected to continue in the next 24 to 48 hours, with the IMD also sounding an orange alert in parts of the state, especially when it comes to the coastal areas. Buses, cars, other vehicles that have been wading through waterlogged roads in low-lying areas in Mumbai as heavy showers continue to lash the city, with the NDRF teams that have also been deployed across the city and especially in other adjoining areas of Thane and Vasai and Ghatkopar and Kurla, and also in Andheri to prevent any unfortunate incidents, to provide assistance as when needed. Well, Times Now's team is reporting on the ground and take a closer look as what is happening, as what picture was it that Mumbaikars woke up to this morning.
At present, I'm reporting from what I can see because of the heavy rainfall since last night. According to the BMC statement, heavy rainfall has been received in Mumbai since from 1 a.m. till right now also the rainfall is ongoing. At several places, especially in low-lying areas, water logging can be seen. My video journey basically is also showing you how because of this water logging in several other parts of Mumbai as well, especially in low-lying, those areas have been submerged because of the heavy rainfall. Commuting becomes a Herculean task. All the office goers who basically are trying to wade through this water logging and trying to reach their offices on Monday, they are facing massive inconvenience as well. With respect to the train schedule, we understand from the PROs of Western Railway, Central Railway as well as from our line that it is running on schedule. Minor discrepancies are there.
रात भर लगातार हुई बारिश के बाद अब हम देख सकते हैं कि जल भराव थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। इस वक्त हम मौजूद है अंधेरी सबवे, जो कि एक इम्पोर्टेंट जगह माना जाता है क्योंकि यहाँ से वेस्ट से ईस्ट जाया जाता है, जो अभी भी बंद है। बीएमसी के कर्मचारी, मुंबई पुलिस के ऑफिशियल्स यहाँ पर मौजूद है। काम जारी है कि जल्द से जल्द जो बचा हुआ पानी है उसे निकाला जाए और ये रास्ता भी चालू किया जाए। मैं मेरे कैमरामैन अनिल शिंदे को बताना चाहता हूँ कि ट्रैफिक के विजुअल दिखाए। ये जो ट्रैफिक है जो सबवे से जाता है अंधेरी ईस्ट की तरफ, उसे पूरी तरह गोखले पुल पर डाइवर्ट किया गया है, जिसके वजह से एसवी रोड पर ट्रैफिक पूरा जाम आप देख सकते हैं, स्लो मूविंग चल रहा है।
Let's in the meantime focus on other areas as well, because let's straight away take you to Malad now, where the Key subway that is completely submerged after the rains, and a car can be seen almost submerged to the top as the water level has climbed almost to the roof of the car. This is the situation that is being witnessed in Malad this morning. And it is not just the low-lying areas, even right outside the Mumbai airport's VIP gates, the area which is completely deluged and underwater, as Times Now gets you a reality check. Let's take a look what happening outside the airport.
देर रात तक मुंबई में लगातार तेज बरसात के चलते कई इलाकों में जल जमाव की स्थिति हो चुकी है। लोकल ट्रेनें जो हैं वो प्रभावित चल रही हैं। हालांकि इसका असर फ्लाइट्स पर अब तक नहीं हुआ है। तस्वीरें मेरे आसपास की मैं दिखाऊं जहां सड़कें जलमग्न हो चुकी हैं। फिलहाल यहाँ की तस्वीर सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी इसलिए है क्योंकि ये वीआईपी गेट है और मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का, जहाँ पे हमेशा वीआईपी फ्लाइट आती है और यहाँ तक की ज्यादातर जो है वो आर्मी नेवी की फ्लाइट भी यहीं पर उतरती है। लेकिन सड़कें यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि गाड़ियों के जो टायर हैं वो कुछ हद तक यहाँ पर पानी में डूब चुके हैं। यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि स्कूल बस जो है वो पानी में डूब चुकी है और इसी के साथ साथ अगर आप देखेंगे तो बाइकें आपको नजर आएंगी कि किस तरह से ये भी डूबी हुई हैं और यहाँ तक कि जो कई गाड़ियां हैं उन्हें भी आवाजाही में जो है वो दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। जो पूरा कॉर्नर इलाका है इसका वो पानी से भरा हुआ है और साफ तौर पर इसी तरीके के जो दृश्य है वो मुंबई की कई सड़कों पर देखने को मिल रहे हैं, जहां लोग पैदल इन इलाकों से चलने को फिलहाल मजबूर नजर आ रहे हैं।
Let's in the meantime talk about when it comes to the flight services that have been affected, and airlines have been issuing advisories when it comes to the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, that has now issued a statement confirming that because of the heavy rains and low visibility, that has led to the suspension of the runway operations from 2:22 a.m. to 3:40 a.m. At least 27 flights that were diverted either to Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Indore and etc. to other locations. And currently the priority that has now been given to the arrivals, delayed departures and consequential changes that have been made to accommodate the diverted flights. So of course, when it comes to the heavy rains, it is being reported on part of the BMC as well. Overnight rains that began from midnight to this morning, that has resulted when it comes to waterlogging on roads, railway tracks being inundated, the locals have been affected, the movement has been affected, and of course, when it comes to the air, flight operations have been affected too. We have Shivani with us. Shivani, Mumbai Airport has issued a statement.
Well, clearly, till the early hours of morning, it was stated that no flights are affected. The flight operations are going smooth. But as of now, diversions have been declared. 27 flights are affected, and in fact, more further flights are expected to be delayed. As of now, the flights towards Mumbai are also being delayed at several other airports. In fact, we have been given the information that the passengers have been informed that the flights will be delayed for even 2-3 hours. And from Mumbai, the functioning of the flights have been stopped. But the local trains are similarly also affected. The roadways are something that are jammed. So Mumbaikars are left helpless because the roads are completely under traffic. The rails are not working because the tracks visibility have gone down because of the waterlogging. The air visibility has gone off, and which has affected the flights as well.
Well, such has been as far as Mumbaikars and their fate, because right now, as we are looking at those pictures, unfortunately, Shivani, this is something that is witnessed every year. The same questions that are raised even to the civic authorities. Let's also talk about the people there, because they are at the receiving end. Shivani continues to be with us because they are calling out the mismanagement by the BMC, the richest civic body in the country. And we have been tracking how plastic is also choking the drains of the city. And because of that, we're looking at waterlogging that has been caused, especially when it comes to the low-lying areas. Take a look.
At present, I am reporting from the Western Express Highway near the Mumbai Airport. On the Western Express Highway, on the lane that is traveling from the western suburbs towards South Mumbai. You can see there is bumper-to-bumper traffic that can be seen on the highway. The vehicular movement has been impacted, has been severely affected because of the heavy rainfall that has been received in the city of Mumbai. Traveling from western suburbs, Andheri, Goregaon to South Mumbai is taking more than 2 hours for the commuters. Since morning, heavy rainfall has been received in the city of Mumbai. In fact, at 1 a.m. the rainfall had started, and in several low-lying areas, that includes areas in Andheri, areas in Sion, Dadar, Chembur, Kurla, several low-lying areas were submerged in water. It became a Herculean task for the commuters to reach offices. In fact, many of the office goers are still can be seen on the road itself.
मुंबई के अलग अलग इलाकों में जलजमाव की स्थिति देखने को मिल रही है। हर साल की ये न बदलने वाली तस्वीर क्यों नहीं बदलती, इसका कारण आप देखते हैं कि जो नाले हैं उनका क्या हाल है। यहाँ पर नालों का जो पूरा चौकअप है रास्ता, वो प्लास्टिक से भरा हुआ है, और इसी तरीके से आप देखेंगे तो जो नाले का पूरा स्तर है वो यहाँ पर भरा हुआ है। सड़कों का दृश्य भी मैं आपको दिखाते हुए चलूँ। जलमग्न है। सबसे पहले यहाँ पर आप ट्रैफिक देख लीजिए कि लगातार जो है ट्रैफिक की स्थिति बढ़ते जा रही है, और उसी की वजह से अब आप देखेंगे कि सड़कों के जो दोनों तरफ का रास्ता है वो कैसे भरा हुआ है। जहाँ पर आप गाड़ियों से देखेंगे कि पानी जो है वो लबालब भरा हुआ है। गाड़ियाँ इसके अंदर तैरते हुए जो है वो बाहर आ रही हैं, और कई रिक्शा चालक हैं, 2 व्हीलर चालक हैं, वो यहाँ पर रुक चुके हैं। सामने वाले रोड की मैं तस्वीर दिखा दूँ आपको। ये मुंबई का कुर्ला इलाका है। कुर्ला जो कि कई इलाकों को जोड़ता है, मुंबई के कई अलग अलग पॉइंट्स को जोड़ता है, वहाँ का ये हाल है।
रात भर लगातार हुई बारिश के बाद अब हम देख सकते हैं कि जल भराव थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। इस वक्त हम की एक इम्पोर्टेंट जगह माना जाता है, क्योंकि यहाँ से वेस्ट से ईस्ट जाया जाता है, जो अभी भी बंद है। बीएमसी के कर्मचारी, मुंबई पुलिस के ऑफिशियल्स यहाँ पर मौजूद है। काम जारी है कि जल्द से जल्द जो बचा हुआ पानी है उसे निकाला जाए और ये रास्ता भी चालू किया जाए। मैं मेरे कैमरामैन अनिल शिंदे को बताना चाहता हूँ कि ट्रैफिक के विजुअल दिखाए। ये जो ट्रैफिक है जो सबवे से जाता है अंधेरी ईस्ट की तरफ, उसे पूरी तरह गोखले पुल पर डाइवर्ट किया गया है, जिसके वजह से एसवी रोड पर ट्रैफिक पूरा जाम आप देख सकते हैं, स्लो मूविंग चल रहा है।
मुंबई के बारे में बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि अपना जो भी है दादर इलाका है ना, हर साल पानी भरता है, इधर पे कभी कोई चीज़ की सुविधा नहीं होती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही प्रॉब्लम रहती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही कारण रहता है। कभी भी बीएमसी अपना काम ठीक करती नहीं है। जब भी देखेगा ना यहाँ पे हर साल पानी भरता है और यहाँ की जो गवर्नमेंट है ना बिल्कुल भी लाचार है एकदम, और जरा भी ध्यान नहीं देते बीएमसी वाले लोग। अभी मैं जा रहा था कुर्ला से परेल तक जा रहा था, सिर्फ कुर्ला से परेल तक जाने के लिए मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ, इतना दिक्कत हुआ है, करीबन मुझे 2 घंटा लग गया है ट्रैफिक के अंदर।
तकलीफ हुआ, मेरे गाड़ी बसों पर आए उधर अंदर पानी में।
इतना पानी भर जाएगा तो कभी सोचा नहीं था। बारिश के सामने किसकी चलती नहीं है भाई।
बारिश में कभी गड्ढे विड्ढे भी रहते हैं ना, बरोबर वो कभी किधर गड्ढा आदमी गिर गया, किधर बरोबर वो भी नहीं ना। अभी आदमी कैसा जाएगा बारिश में, ट्रेन बंद, बस बंद, सब बंद।
Time, let's get you exactly when the questions are being raised on the civic authorities. What does the civic authority has to say? As far as the Mumbai BMC commissioner is concerned, he is monitoring the situation personally from the disaster control room. Emergency personnel and officers along with the emergency control room who are said to be stationed at various locations in Mumbai and keeping an eye on all the developments. Shrishti is with us right now. Shrishti, give us a live update right now where you are. And of course, when it comes to the BMC, well, this seems to be the standard statement that they are monitoring the situation.
Well, of course, rightly you have pointed out that every time when such situation emerges in the city of Mumbai, they claim that they are monitoring the entire situation. Now we have seen the visuals of BMC commissioner in the war room trying to control the situation, monitoring the entire situation. Even Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has tweeted out and mentioned the fact that people who are going out of their houses, they should be careful. Also, the authorities are on high alert. That is what CM Shinde has mentioned in his tweet. But right now where I'm present here is in Sion. You can see in the visuals that the traffic is moving right now. The authorities are trying to control the waterlogging situation in the city. But the bigger question is the BMC, which has more than 60,000 crores of budget, why such situation emerges every year in just one rainfall? Yesterday it rained for 6 hours and more than 300 mm of rainfall was noted by the authorities, and then the situation in the city was absolutely serious and dangerous. We have seen multiple reports of my colleagues. They have mentioned the fact that the waterlogging is there on many junctions in the Mumbai. Right now where I'm present is in Sion. You can see in the visuals there is still slow and slow. But the authorities are trying to control the entire situation.
Right.
However, now the local trains are also,
well, you just mentioned what it comes to the statement that has also been made by the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Shrishti, please to stay on with us because we also want to focus on what the Chief Minister now is saying. As far as heavy downpours are concerned, the statement coming on part of the government there, Meenakshi, if you can tell us what the Chief Minister is saying.
Well, yes, Amita. So let's take our viewers through Eknath Shinde's statement. He's given a statement, Maharashtra Chief Minister, on the situation in the maximum city, Mumbai. So he says life has been disrupted in Mumbai due to heavy rains everywhere. There is traffic jam on the road. Traffic on railway lines has also been affected. Work of removing water, this is the operative part from the tracks, is going on. That's underway by the railway administration. Efforts also underway to restore the traffic soon. He says all the emergency agencies have also been put on high alert. Citizens, an advisory for them coming from the Chief Minister that they should step out only if absolutely necessary. He also appeals to the Mumbai Municipal Corporation Police Administration and emergency services, apologies, to cooperate and work in tandem. So the Chief Minister, one, appealing to the people to step out only if necessary, also underlining the efforts which have been undertaken by the administration till now, and asking all the agencies, the police, municipal authorities and the emergency services to work together in tandem to ease the trouble, obviously, which Mumbaikars are going through.
Well, of course, and today when it has rained overnight, we're looking at being a Monday, and Monday morning is when people have been heading out, and of course there has been long jams, kilometers long jams that are being witnessed, and whether be it roads, whether be it air, and also the train movement that has been affected. Let's talk about the trains. Yeah, Meenakshi, thank you very much for the moment. The trains, the locals, which are said to be the lifeline of Mumbai, the services that have also been affected, but mainly we are looking at the work overtime that is now being done, and many of the lines that have now been restored. The train services on the main line down and up, fast line between CSMT Thane, that has been restored at a restricted speed. The Mail Express trains have also been moved. This is a statement on part of the Central Railway. The Central Railway was the one that was affected. Mostly the Western Railway was running smoothly with a delay of about 5 to 10 minutes. But in the meantime, as far as the trains are concerned that have been affected, we are looking at the work that is now being done for smooth functioning, especially when we talk about the locals. However, this is a situation, viewers, almost every year is on repeat as we talk about Mumbai and the monsoon mayhem that has affected millions of people. We will be back after a very short break.